Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best buffing pads on Amazon. Car care can be a rewarding but frustrating experience. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. SPTA 5 PCS 6.5-inch Buffing Polishing Pads. This 5 PCS 6.5-inch face for 6-inch 150mm backing plate compound buffing sponge pads cutting polishing pad kit is a set of 5 foam polishing pads that are designed to fit onto a 6-inch backing plate. The set includes 5 different colored pads, each with a different level of aggressiveness, making it suitable for a range of different polishing and compounding tasks. And the foam used in the pads is high quality, and it holds up well to repeated use. And to use the pads, you will need a 6-inch backing plate, which is not included in the set. The foam is also easy to clean, so you can reuse the pads multiple times. The pads are designed to fit onto a 6-inch backing plate, which makes them easy to attach and remove from your car buffer polisher. Additionally, the pads are labeled with their level of aggressiveness, making it easy to select the right pad for the job. Number 2. Chemical Guys 6.5-inch Buffing Sampler Kit. We chose the sampler kit of 6.5-inch buffing pads from Chemical Guys as our value option because it makes understanding the buffing process incredibly simple for a good price. With 3 pads, you're able to compound, polish, and wax nearly any vehicle. As long as you remember which color corresponds to which process, it's as simple as switching out pads and moving on to the next step. The hex pattern of the Chemical Guys buffing pads straddles the middle ground between completely flat pads and those with a waffle design. This means you're able to reach into the curves of the body lines to get the full effect, while still being able to keep the pad itself level across the paint surface to reduce swirls. Plus, the included cleaning solution means you won't have to worry about what to soak your pads in between uses. The main issue with the starter kit is just that. It's a starter kit you shouldn't necessarily use for intense paint correction. Number 3. Casoman 7-inch Buffing and Polishing Pad Kit. This 7-inch hook and loop polishing pad kit features 7 pieces for waxing, polishing, and sealing. The pads are washable and reusable and have varying levels of softness and coarseness depending on what you require. They polish even the most difficult scratches and oxidation areas. The pads are lightweight, easy to assemble, and include Velcro, which makes them easy to change. They are flexible, durable, economic, and will not damage the surface area of your vehicle. Overall, they are very good quality, easy to use, and do the job well. However, the wool pad may prematurely fall apart. It sheds a lot of fiber that can wind up getting all over the place. Also, you may receive pads you don't need because they are only sold as a kit, not individually. Number 4. TCP Global 8-inch Buffing Kit. There are just as many buffers out there as buffing pads. The good thing about this kit from TCP Global is, no matter what brand of buffer you buy, these 8-inch buffing pads will hook right up to the included backing plate that threads onto the spindle. Serious buffing aficionados will be quick to tell you that having a variety of buffing pads is key to tackling any car you encounter. With the TCP Global Buffing Kit, you're able to quickly identify which pad you need for the corresponding process. The waffle design of the pads allows you to tackle the hard-to-reach spots around creases in the body lines. Since this kit comes with so many pads, you can experiment to see what type of pad is best for each buffing step. Number 5. TCP Global 7-inch Wool Buffing and Polishing Pad. This soft buffing pad is made from all-natural, 100% wool. It features a solid polishing surface and a drawstring tie to secure it to your power buffer or polisher. You can use this pad with compounds, paint sealants, and glazes. The standard size of 7 inches in diameter means this buffing pad will fit the majority of power buffers and polishers on the market. That makes this pad widely versatile. You'll also appreciate the slip-over installation that makes this buffing pad easy to secure. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, Please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.